Hi there, welcome to SilkTask. Today, I'll walk you through registering an account, activating it, and setting up your very first task for your team. Let's dive in. First, head over to silktask.com. Right there on the front page, you'll find the registration link. Click on it to get started with your setup. Now, let's fill in some basic information about your company. Enter the details, and don't worry, this part's quick and easy. Once that's done, check your email inbox. You'll find a verification email waiting for you. You can either click the link in the email or copy the verification URL into the same browser you used to register. This is the final step to confirm your account. Great. After verifying, our team will fully activate your account. You'll receive a notification as soon as it's ready, and you'll be all set to log in. Remember, you can log in either at silktask.com or through the SilkTask app on Android or iOS. Now that you're logged in, welcome to the Manager's Dashboard. This is your command center where you can start setting up your team. Let's start by creating an employee account. Just fill in the details here for your team member, and you're good to go. Now, let's create your very first task. Head over to the task page. It's important to give your task a clear title with keywords that distinguish it from other similar tasks you may create for different employees. Once you've named the task, add a detailed description that includes any and all information your employee might need to complete it successfully. For example, if the task is to conduct market research on your current and future competitors in Singapore, you could add more specific details or even include links to cloud files with past charts or data. This way, your employee has everything they need to meet your task requirements. Next, let's set the task's priority so your team member knows how urgent it is. Then, select a category that best describes the type of work they'll be doing. This helps keep everything organized. Now, let's set the start date. This is when the task should begin. And here's an important note. The due date is the day by which the task should be completed and ready. Think of it as the deadline to have everything finished first thing in the morning. Time to assign the task. Select your team member from the list. And here's a handy feature. If you're planning tasks in advance, you can use the Schedule Task option to choose when each task should become visible to your employee. This helps manage what's on their plate and keeps things flowing smoothly. Let's say it's the beginning of the month, and you want your assigned employee to start on this task on the 28th, but you only want them to see it a day beforehand. Of course, this is just an example. Once you've reviewed all the details, just click Submit. Nice work. You've just created your first task. Let's head back to the dashboard to see how it looks. Back on your Manager dashboard, you'll see the new task along with all the key details. And when you click into it, you'll find a chat feature where you and your team member can discuss the work right within the task page. This keeps conversations organized and easy to follow. And that's it. You're all set up and ready to start delegating tasks on SilkTask. Keep exploring the dashboard for more options to streamline your team's workflow. Thanks for joining me, and enjoy using SilkTask.